Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to create a profile and where to use it. So I go to File, New, Family, we go to Metric Templates and I need to find Metric Profile, we hit open. And I want to create a Z profile which will be parametric, so create some basic reference planes. So this will be for the left and right. Maybe first I will draw what kind of profile I want to create, so something like this, and I want to make it parametric. So I create some reference planes like this. So this will be width, so I use these EQ distances, so the distance between the center and these reference planes are always these distances are always the same. Then I assign a parameter to this dimension which should be width, and we can leave it to type. We do the same for these reference planes, so we hit EQ, so the distance is always the same. Then we assign height. I'm using these shared parameters because then I can annotate them and use them in schedules, but if you don't have them, you can create your own, or you can use just family parameters. It's up to you. So we can make it something like 600 by 600, and I want to also be able to change the thickness, so I add some more reference planes like this one, because I want to define this thickness and also this thickness. And then I want to define these two reference planes because I want to have same thickness here and there, but the distance from this center line should be the same. So something like this, and that, and that, and that. And because I want to have same thickness, I select all these dimensions and I assign a new parameter called thickness. So thickness, okay. And the only thing I need to do now is to align and lock this sketch. So I lock this part, this one, this. So I think it's done. So if we change this, it should move. If we change this, it should move. And also if we change the thickness to, for example, 50, it should change. Okay, so now I save it. For example, something like Z profile number 2. Perfect. And I load it into project. So the first thing where I can use it is if I go to architecture component model in place, and I don't know, I can select, for example, beam. It doesn't matter. Okay, so maybe beam's not here, so structural framing, for example, structural framing. And we use the sweep tool, so I draw some lines there like this, and usually we finish the sketch and then we go to edit profile and we draw something here, and now it's too big, so I make it a little bit smaller. We finish and we make this mess, a solid mess, but not always we want to do this. Sometimes we want to use the sketch multiple times, and in this case we can actually use, if we select the profile, we can select the profile we already created. So in my case, profile 2. We hit enter. So now we can use the profile in any element that we create directly in the project. The same goes with, for example, beams. So if I open this beam, I can edit it, select the profile and change it, and the problem is I need to load the profile there, so I need to find it. Okay, we load it into we can load it into beam and column, and now we go to beam, we select it and we can change it, and if we load it into the project it will overwrite, so we can use it multiple times. And the last thing I will show you is that we can use it in Railings. For example, I have this family of curb, so we can use all the profiles in Railings. So I select Railing, go to edit type, I click on this rail structure, I delete these two elements, and I insert new and change profile to, for example, where is it? Yeah, this one, profile 2, hit enter, and now it is a profile set. And that's all for this video.